Hi guys, hopefully you can all hear me. It's Dave Larsen with West USA Realty, and I'm out here in Ahwatukee at Quail Landing Townhomes, and I just wanted to show you a coming soon listing that I've got coming up. This will be going on the market this weekend, but if you'd like to see it sooner, please let me know. I have access to it, obviously. You can reach me at 602-430-5755. I'm just going to turn around and give you a little slow-mo look at the grounds. It's an extremely well-kept complex, and we're right here at about 48th Street and Elliott, just about a mile or so from the entrance to the South Mountain Park near Guadalupe Road. So it's a really great location, particularly if you're at all interested in doing outdoor recreation in South Mountain Park, our largest park in the city of Phoenix. So let's go on inside here. And if while I'm doing this, if you have any questions, just post them to me and I'll try and keep an eye on that and get them answered for you. So this home was all redone just a couple years ago. It's got what everybody is looking for these days in flooring, in the wood plank flooring. There's a relatively fresh two-tone custom paint throughout. And I'm going to give us a full room view here. One of the features I like here in the living room is this cozy corner fireplace. The current owner didn't use it, but it's really nice because it's set off in the corner, which makes it really easy to use, but not to have a lot of wall space taken up by it. There is a lovely granite tile countertop kitchen with stainless steel appliances, including a smooth top range and microwave. And then this is kind of another cool feature. Home has a herb garden plant shelf window. So the idea here is you can plant or put plants and herbs right here in the kitchen window, and they'll get great light and you'll have fresh herbs whenever you'd like. Then there's a place for a full-size washer and dryer here, and your refrigerator, and pretty good pantry storage. Then you've also got a convenient half bath downstairs here. Just get a little view of the vanity for you. This has all been redone again in the last couple of years. And then this is kind of another feature that I really like. I'm going to call this the Harry Potter closet. I don't know how good our lighting is, but it goes way, way back underneath the stairway. So, and that's always, of course, let's see if I can get you a little better view there. It's always a big concern in townhomes, what kind of storage space do I have? And this one, of course, with that and an outdoor storage shed, has pretty good space. And then while we're downstairs here, let me take us outside. It's got a really cute backyard patio. Very easy to take care of. And then this little gate here leads right out to your covered parking. So it's very convenient when you've got the groceries to come right in and into your home. And then I'm going to peek over the fence for you. The community pool is just right over there, literally steps away. And then if you're a tennis player, and I don't know if you can see much here over the plants, but the tennis court is right over there. So great location within the community as far as using the amenities. Let's go back inside and see upstairs for you. Hope you're liking it so far. And again, if you have any questions at all, just give me a call at 602-430-5755 or post them here and I will try and respond to them right here on Facebook Live. Let's go on upstairs. Here's our upstairs bathroom, again, redone in exactly the same kinds of materials and finishes as the half bath downstairs. Here is the bigger of the two upstairs bedrooms with a full wall of closets. The ceiling is vaulted and there's plant shelves. Plus there's really nice ceiling fans throughout. And this has a nice bright wood laminate flooring in it. And then the other bedroom, also done in the wood laminate flooring, with the same uniform two-tone custom paint throughout. Kind of a cool little niche over here, be great for a desk or a stand or something. And then again, vaulted ceilings with plant shelves. So that's kind of it. Just let me know if you have any questions or any interest, or if you would like to see it. Again, my number is 602-430-5755. And thank you so much for jumping on and watching. And if you have any questions, post them here or call me, and I will get responded to them. Thanks again. Have a great day.